ElevenLabs is one of the best AI voice generators if you want ultra-realistic voices in your videos. Today, I'll walk you through a quick ElevenLabs tutorial, showing you its main features and exactly how they work. And by the way, the voice you're hearing right now, it's 100% generated by ElevenLabs. You can sign up and start using ElevenLabs completely free from the link below. So without any further ado, let's begin the video. All right, the first key feature of ElevenLabs is text-to-speech. Enter your script, select an option from the list, and let it generate a voice for you. You can preview the voices by clicking here before making a selection. After you make a selection, click on the Generate Speech button. Once ElevenLabs generates the speech, you can preview it here.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're exploring the amazing features of ElevenLabs voice generator.
And if you are happy with the output, you can download it from here by clicking on this button. You will receive it as an MP3 file. The next feature is adding emotions. AI voices generally sound robotic, but with ElevenLabs, you can add emotions to your voices like happiness, sadness, or even excitement, which helps your voices sound more authentic and human. Let me show you how to add emotion using an example sentence. So I'll copy the sentence here. First, I'm going to generate it without any emotion. So let's try.
I can't believe how amazing this tool is.
It sounds pretty straightforward, without any emotions inside. Now let's try again with some excitement. ElevenLabs suggests that the best way to add a specific emotion is to do it similar to a book-style narration. So if we go back to our example prompt, we can add something like, "He said very excitingly." Let's try one more time.
I can't believe how amazing this tool is, he said very excitingly.
If you listen carefully, now we have some excitement in the sentence. The only problem is, it also adds this part, so you need to later cut it out in the editing section. But if the emotion still isn't very clear, even with this sentence, you might need to select another AI voice from here, as emotions may not always work well with the same AI voice. Another important aspect of making your AI-generated speech more natural is controlling the pace. ElevenLabs gives you the ability to add pauses in your speech, which is very necessary. Adding pauses in the right places can make your voiceover sound more conversational and less robotic. Let's try this phrase.
Hello, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to explore some amazing AI tools.
As you can hear, it sounds a little rushed at some parts. Now let's add a short pause after today and after explore. There are two main ways to add pauses. Add 3 dots where you want a natural pause. Use a more precise syntax to control the length of the pause. For example, you can add a tag like this and give it a duration. Let's say half a second. Now let's use both of these methods and hear how the pause sounds with the generated output.
Hello, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to explore some amazing AI tools.
If you listen carefully, now you can notice the pauses. Adding pauses to your script will make it sound much more natural and engaging. Next up is one of ElevenLabs' most exciting features, voice cloning. Voice cloning allows you to replicate your own voice, but AI will speak instead of you. Now let's see how this works in action. To clone your own voice, go to Voices. Select Add a New Voice. Choose Instant Voice Clone. At the top, give your voice a name. You're going to need to upload a short recording of your voice. You can add labels or a description if you prefer. Click the Confirm button, then Add Voice. Once uploaded, ElevenLabs will process it and create a new voice model. Now let me type another example sentence to make the demonstration. This time, select the voice you just uploaded. Click Generate. If you prefer to use your own voice, then you'll have the advantage of not needing to sit down and record manually every single time. The next feature we're going to explore is ElevenLabs Dubbing Studio. This is incredibly useful if you have content that needs to be translated into other languages. Here's how it works. Go to Dubbing Studio, select Create New Dub, assign your project a name, choose your source language, English, choose your target language, let's say German. Now upload your audio or video file. You can also paste a link directly from YouTube or another platform. For this demo, I uploaded a 5-second MP3 file. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'll show you all the amazing things you can do with AI voices. Let's generate the voiceover and see how it sounds. Once processing is complete, you'll see your dubbed files. Danke fürs Einschalten. Heute zeige Ihnen alles, die Sie mit AI Voices machen können. The generated German voiceover also sounds very natural and fluent. This is super convenient for creators who want to provide multilingual content but don't have the resources to record everything manually. This is especially helpful for educational content, tutorials, or promotional videos. You can even create sound effects in ElevenLabs. Just describe the kind of sound effect you want, and it will generate it for you. Here's how. Go to Sound Effects. Type in your prompt or try one of the examples. For this video, I'll use one of their examples. ElevenLabs generated 4 different sound effects. Let's hear some of them. So when you need sound effects for your videos or audio projects, you don't need to search online. Just type in what you want, and ElevenLabs will generate multiple versions. This gives you flexibility to adapt your audio to match your content. Next up, the speech-to-speech feature. This lets you take an existing voice recording and modify it using AI. You can upload or record your audio directly. Let's upload a short audio file. This is my voice cloned by ElevenLabs to help me create content faster and more efficiently. Now choose a target voice, whether it's a different tone, gender, or style. Let's try generating that.
This is my voice cloned by ElevenLabs to help me create content faster and more efficiently.
As you can hear, it retains the rhythm and even the accent, but the voice sounds completely different. This is great for transforming content without manually adding pauses or emotions, like we did earlier in text-to-speech. Just upload your voice, choose a voice model, and ElevenLabs handles the rest. So far, we've covered the most important features of ElevenLabs, but what about pricing? First of all, you can start using ElevenLabs completely free and link in the description. But if you plan to create content for commercial purposes, you'll need to upgrade. If you need more info, check the pricing link in the description. If you're using ElevenLabs content on YouTube, you might be wondering, can I monetize videos with AI voices? Speaking from experience, yes. We've been using ElevenLabs voices on our YouTube channel for about 2 months.
Managing longer conversations in ChatGPT can quickly become overwhelming as your projects grow.
The videos are live and monetized, with no copyright issues. That said, always do your own research, especially if you're using this content on other platforms, as policies can vary. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button and see you guys in the next one.